Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you should not buy aftermarket fuel pump. If you're going to use an aftermarket fuel pump, make sure it is high quality. Now I'm going to explain why buying an aftermarket fuel pump is a bad choice. You see this fuel pump, it only lasted 2 months and now I have to change that fuel pump again. This is a fuel pump. This part here is a strainer and it is going to prevent contaminants going inside the fuel pump. This part here is the float and the float is going to rise and fall according to the fuel level in the gas tank. This part here is the fuel level sensor. And on the inside, there's going to be an electric motor. The first reason why I don't recommend buying an aftermarket fuel pump, especially when it is low quality, is because all the materials that's used on the fuel pump is going to be inferior. For example, if you look at this fuel level sensor that I am showing, you can see it is extremely rusted. If you look carefully, this part here is the fuel level sensor. This part is supposed to tell you how much fuel is in the gas tank. For example, if this lever is at the highest point, it is going to tell you that you're going to have a lot of gas in the gas tank. So basically, it is going to be at full. And when this lever is at the bottom part, it's going to tell you that you're going to have less gas or you're almost out of gas. The fuel level sensor is going to contain a lot of variable resistor. And each of these lines is going to send a signal to the computer telling how much gas is in the gas tank. Now, if the lines are disappearing or it is completely rusted out, it is not going to send a signal to the computer, so it is going to give false reading of the amount of fuel inside the gas tank. So what was happening for this vehicle is that when the owner filled up the gas tank, the lever was at the highest point. However, the fuel level sensor was not sending a proper signal to the computer telling the level or the amount of gas that's inside the gas tank. So it was telling the computer that the gas tank was actually empty, caused by a rusted variable resistor. Now I am going to check the resistance of the fuel level sensor. So resistance is going to be much higher when fuel level is low, and resistance should be lower when fuel level is higher. And of course, the number should gradually decrease as the lever is moving upward. So right there, the glitch is right there. And there, it is so inconsistent. So the number should drop. So that variable resistor is extremely rusted. As you can see, the number is so inconsistent. It's just jumping up and down. And sometimes there's no continuity at all, especially this part. So sometimes it makes connection and sometimes it doesn't. So as you can see, if it shows all well on the multimeter, it is going to show on the fuel gauge that fuel level is going to be empty. So again, this is why I don't recommend buying an aftermarket fuel pump. It's so inconsistent. As you can see, the material used for this fuel pump is extremely inferior. Now there is going to be another problem, and that is going to be the electric fuel pump motor. The material used for the electric fuel pump motor is inferior, and it started to rust out as well. So because it started to rust out, it was causing that electric motor to run inefficient, and sometimes it wouldn't work at all. So the owner was experiencing stalling and poor gas mileage. If you're going to use an aftermarket fuel pump, make sure it is high quality and make sure there's good review for it. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.